Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Mortal Kombat. If you want to get this game on your device, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. Open Google Play Store. Now, in the search bar, type in Mortal Kombat and perform your search. Tap on Mortal Kombat game. To install Mortal Kombat, tap on the Install button. It might take a while to download this game. And this is how you can install Mortal Kombat. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.